Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex over at Laser Everything, and I have been missing. Where have I been? Well, we're just a couple weeks out from Christmas. It's the holiday season. It's just completely nuts in the shop, and I've just been trying to keep my customers happy. This is our busiest Christmas ever, by a long shot. So I just wanted to check in and let everybody know that I'm still here. I've still got a ton of content planned. We've got a lot of really cool things coming up. A couple quick reminders. We have the SFX 60 watt M7 MOPA laser coming. So we're going to be doing MOPA stuff really soon. We've got a lot of diode stuff coming. I really want to play with these. They've just been sitting here staring at me during the holiday season, and I haven't been able to do anything with them. The UV just came in. We have the UV here. It's ready to go. I've done a couple tests, and I've used it actually a couple times out of necessity, just to get some jobs done, and it's worked really well so far. So I'm really excited to share what I've learned about it so far with you guys, and experiment with a bunch of new things as well. And of course, just a ton of other like regular fiber and CO2 tutorials coming your way as well. So we've got all that. We've got the Mira 9 is coming in the mail hopefully soon. We've got the new studio space is being constructed literally right now. They're downstairs knocking out walls and adding doors for me to get lasers into places and putting in ventilation so we can suck all of the, laser smoke and soot and like gross stuff out of the basement, because you don't want to just run those in the basement, right? So they're building that. We should be in there on the 1st of the month. And of course, new Coraline is just making it miserable to try to sleep at home. She's actually a doll. She's a really good baby, but she is definitely still at the stage where she likes to be awake all night. So, yeah, guys, I just really wanted to kind of update you and just let you know where I've been. Christmas is almost here. What is it today? The 17th. So less than 10 days. Christmas will be behind us. Things are going to slow way down at the shop. We've also got Miranda. Mrs. Laser Everything is going to be joining us here at the shop full time, taking over all of the aspects of the brick and mortar business so that I can focus my full attention full time, 100% full time on the channel, just for you guys. So I'm really excited to be able to bring that to you as well. And that's about it. I'm really excited. I think the thing that we really need to get past here is just getting into the new studio. It's going to be completely redone. I can't show you much, but here's the hallway that takes you down to that new space. It's going to be 1,000 square feet of just empty warehouse space that we can do whatever we want with. I've got $1,200 of new workbenches just sitting here lined up in the hallway, waiting to be put together so we can put all of our lasers on like really nice workbenches. They're going to be away from the wall so we can walk 360 around them, and we can just do so much more with that space. So I've kind of been holding off on a lot of content, just waiting to get into that space. Again, we're less than 2 weeks away from getting into that. So they're building it right now. I promise it's coming. Lots and lots of new lasers, lots of new stuff on the horizon. So anyway, just a quick update for you guys. Thank you so much for hanging in there, for supporting the channel. If you're not already on the Laser Master Academy, go check it out. There's been a lot of really good conversations going on there lately, and a lot of people are getting like new Mactron lasers in. There's just a lot going on. We're just about at 2,000 members on the Discord server now. We just hit 9,000 subscribers on the channel. So if you're subscribing, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you, hanging out with us. I'm glad you guys are getting value out of the videos. We're on our way to 10K, where we'll be making our own little 10K YouTube plaque. We've been talking about that for a long time. So that's it. Not gonna let this run on forever. Really short video for you today, but I just wanted to say hi. I'm not dead, and there's a lot of really awesome stuff in the works for you guys right now. Join the Discord. There's a link in the description. Go check out the Laser Master Academy if you want to support the channel and get amped for all of this new content coming your way. Pretty soon, this horrible mess behind me will be gone, and it will just be a big, open, warehouse with lots of lasers that we can all kind of drool over together and check out and hopefully learn about as we take this next step in our laser journey. So thank you so much again to everybody who subscribed and gotten us to 9,000 subscribers. I can't believe we're almost to 10. It's just going faster and faster, and it's really kind of mind-boggling. So I'm really glad to have you guys all here, and I want to talk to you. I'm on the Discord literally all day, every day. I'm on the LMA most of the day, every day, and I just want to reach out and like kind of interact with you guys and see what you're doing. So pop over, say hi in the meantime. I've got a couple new videos planned that are going to be coming out as scheduled. I've got 2 podcasts recorded now that need to be edited and put up, so new podcast episodes coming your way too. And that's it. So thanks so much for hanging out. I hope that this update kind of just helped you guys get your head around what's going on here. I can't wait to share new details about this new space with you guys. Seriously, it's going to be so cool. And that's all I've got. So I will see you in the next one.